Want to create scroll-stopping UGC ads that grab attention, but don't want to break the bank? I'm going to show you how to use Caption AI completely free to create killer captions, subtitles, and text overlays that will boost your engagement and make your UGC ads shine. First, head over to Caption Ai and create your free account. Once you're in, click the upload button to import the UGC video you want to enhance. Caption AI supports various video formats, so you shouldn't have any trouble here. Once your video is uploaded, Caption AI will automatically generate captions. How cool is that? Review the captions and make any necessary edits to ensure accuracy. This is super important for accessibility and clear messaging. Now for the fun part. Caption AI offers a range of customization options. You can choose from various font styles, colors, and animations to make your captions visually appealing. Experiment with different styles to find what best suits your video and brand aesthetic. Try highlighting keywords or phrases to draw the viewers. Use animations strategically to emphasize important points and keep your audience engaged. To add even more impact, explore the text overlay feature. This allows you to add additional text elements to your video, like product names, website URLs, or special offers. Customize the placement and duration of your text overlays to ensure they don't distract from the main content. And that's it. With Caption AI's free features, you can transform your UGC ads into captivating content that drives results. Start creating eye-catching UGC ads today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on creating amazing content.